Today we'll see what Python is. Okay, so what Python is, why should one go with Python, or simply what are the different features of Python. ठीक है. So what is Python? Python, it is simply a programming language, just like any other programming languages that we know. Right? We have different programming languages. We know different programming languages like C, C++, Java, .NET. Okay. So just like the remaining programming languages, Python is also one of the programming language. The first thing is, what do you mean by a programming language? What do you mean by a programming language? So programming language, it is a set of commands, syntaxes, or simply instructions which will make a computer program, right? So programming language is simply a set of instructions, syntaxes, or any other instructions which we use for creating a program. Okay? So Python is one of the programming language which was designed in the year 1991 by a person called G.B. Rossum or Guido van Rossum. Okay, so he's the father of Python. So while he was working with NRI, National Research Institute in Netherlands, first he came up with, or he created this Python. So Python is called as general purpose high level programming language. Python is a general purpose okay. So Python came into the market in the year 1991. So in 1994, we got the most famous technology, popular technology in IT. Java came into the market. Okay, but still Java is the most popular language till recent years. So 1991 में Python लॉन्च होने के बाद मार्केट में, why people are turning to Python nowadays? Why one should learn Python? Python हमको क्यों सीखना है? और इतने साल के बाद लोग Python के पीछे क्यों लगे हैं? Why are people turning to Python nowadays? So what are the advantages of Python? We have. So what are the different advantages of Python? When you compare Python with the remaining programming languages like C or Java, right? First thing, Python, it is a very simple language. Python is called as beginner's language. So if you are from a non-IT background, okay, if you are a candidate from non-IT background, and if you want to start your development, so you can directly start with Python. So Python doesn't require any prerequisites. Okay. So for example, if I consider Java, so in order to start with Java, first one should have basic programming skills, which we'll start with C, C++. But for Python, we don't require any prerequisite. A non-IT person, if you want to make your career in IT or in development part, so you can start with Python. The code of Python is very simple and easy. The syntaxes of Python will be like reading the English sentences. Right? When you compare Python code with the remaining languages, the code of Python will be less. Okay, we'll have less lines of code in Python. Sorry. Okay, so let us consider a simple program in different languages, and we'll compare the code. Okay, let us consider a simple program. So I will compare C language, Java and Python. Okay, so in C language, I will take a program. So let us write a program to add two numbers. Okay, I know you know the syntax, right? So C language का syntax आपको पता है? Okay. So syntax for C language is hash include int b is equal to 20. So int sum. Okay. Now sum is equal to a plus b. Now printf sum is percentile d, comma ampersand sum. बराबर? We'll close the bracket. So this is the logic for adding two values in C language. Correct or wrong?
Correct.
So how many lines of code we have written? If I remove the braces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 lines of code without brackets. Right? 8 lines of code is required to simply add two variables. Okay? Even the values are hard coded. I am not taking the values from the user. I am not adding any dynamic input. I am adding only static input. In order to add two static values, so I have to write 8 values. Sorry, 8 lines of code. So the same program, if I want to write in Java, so I'll try to write the same program in Java language. So class name, let us make it as addition. Okay. So public static void main string args. The code will be same here, right? Int a is equal to 20. System dot out dot println sum is comma sum. Barabar? So this is the code. So this is the logic for adding two values in Java. Same लगभग C language में जितने हमको लिखना है उतना ही वापस Java में भी लिखना पड़ा. Now if I want to write the same program in Python, so what is the code? A comma b is equal to 10 comma 20. Sum is equal to a plus b. Print sum is comma sum. So this is the code for adding two values in Python. Okay. The code is very simple in Python. So don't worry, it will execute. So this is idle. Okay, the shell for Python practice. Now a comma b is equal to 10 comma 20. Sum is equal to a plus b. No need of semicolon. If you want, you can give print sum is. Run this program. So you will get the output sum is 30. Okay. So comparatively, when you compare the code size with the remaining programming languages, the code size will be very less. ठीक है, अगर जावा जैसे प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में हमको 10 से 15 लाइंस ऑफ कोड लिखा है, so we can conclude that code in 5 to 6 lines in Python. ठीक है. So next one, the next advantage we have in Python is purely free of cost language. ठीक है, you can directly download it from internet, you can install it on your system, and then you can directly start working. ठीक है. So most of the languages will have two types of versions. One is a free version, second one is a corporate version, premium version. Even Java, we are having two versions, free and premium. Okay, if we are having two versions, some functionalities won't be available in free versions. So that is not the problem in Python. In Python, everything is free. Okay, it is maintained by Python Software Foundations, an NGO. Okay. The next thing we have here is, so code-wise, Python is easy. So if I miss the hash here, so मेरा code compile होगा C language का. So we will be getting a compile time error if I miss the hash here, if I miss the semicolon here. Okay, even if I miss the semicolon, we are going to get compile time errors. Okay, even this is the same case with Java also. Even in Java, if I miss the semicolon, we are going to get the errors. Okay, so these languages, so they have to follow, we have to follow the rules very strictly. So whatever needs to be there, those we have to provide at any cost. If we fail to provide the values, if we fail to provide the semicolons, then simply we are going to get the compile time errors or runtime errors. Okay, but that is not the case with Python. So Python gives the developers some flexibility regarding the rules and regulations, regarding the syntaxes. Okay. Chalo, next one. So this one, if I want to give the semicolon, we can give. If I don't want, I can remove. So rules इतना strictly follow करने का जरूरत नहीं है Python में. ठीक है, Python gives some flexibility, so you are going to get the same result even if you give the semicolon. ठीक है, so rules इतना strictly follow करने का जरूरत नहीं है. So next one, in C language, if I have to run a program directly, हम run कर सकते हैं क्या? Can we directly run a C language program? No.